Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Apple ID on iPhone. To change Apple ID on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your phone. So once you are inside your settings, tap on your Apple ID, the Apple ID you want to change. So to change your Apple ID, you will firstly need to sign out from the current Apple ID on the device. So let's just tap on the sign out. So once you tap on the sign out, to ask you to put in the password. So to ask you to put in the password you use for this so that you can log out successfully. So once you do this, just tap on done. Once you put in the password, tap on done. So once you tap on done, it will ask you that do you want to sign out from this? Can you see? Can you see? It will ask you that do you want to sign out? Let's just say yes, sign out. You can see, are you sure you want to sign out from this Apple ID? But because we want to change our Apple ID on this device, so we are going to tap on yes, we want to sign out. Tap on sign out, sign out. As you can see, copying iCloud data. Since we have successfully logged out of the Apple ID, the next thing for us now is now logging the new Apple ID that we want to use. So if you see here, you can see Apple account. Tap on this Apple account. Once you tap on the Apple account, tap on the Apple account. Once you tap on it, sign in manually. So we want to sign in manually. That is by entering our email and password. Just do that. Once you do that, enter your email for the new Apple ID you want to log in, you want to sign in, and it will ask you to put in the email and put in the password. Once you put in that, you are good to go. All you need to do here is just to put in the email of the new Apple ID you want to use and just follow the instructions by putting in your email and your password, and you're going to be signed in to the new Apple ID you want to use. So guys, this is how you can actually change your Apple ID on iPhone.